Alright, here we go. Market just opened. So we kind of consolidated over London. Right, we did not. We have these highs right here. This was previous day high, which we took out for Asia and then came down, and then London. Right, we could see. My bias is I know we're in an uptrend, but I still want to see us maybe either this 4-hour gap or even come take out previous day lows or some of these hourly lows in general. So it depends, because right now we swept these, but yeah, so we swept these kind of lows, right? So hourly lows. So we'll see how we respect kind of this area. If we could not close above this, that's good. Otherwise, there's just like a lot of draws of liquidity here. Then you even have this area where maybe longs wouldn't be too bad. I don't think longs would be too bad, actually, yeah.
Order filled.
Should have been way down here, but hey. We'll see. Just because we took, right, this is Asia lows and London lows, right, hourly lows, filling a gap. We're in an uptrend, both on the 1 hour and 4 hour, right? There's no SMT. If there was, that's even more confidence, right? But we swept this. So it's like, I mean, again, we're kind of pushing past this. I just need this 1 minute or the next one to kind of close above this range. These relative equal highs. If the next 1 minute candle could do that, we're good. Right there. So that's what I need. Looks like we're getting. Should have entered a little bit earlier. Could have been up like what, 3K by now. Make it so TP's around here, but that's fine. Like ideally it should have probably been. Well, you get the picture. Oh. Tech stocks are doing okay. That's a little worrying. So there's that. We have Nvidia. Okay, never mind. We're kind of pushing higher. So you got to look at the non for Nasdaq. Because it's Nasdaq is top 100 non-financial ones. All right, that's good. Microsoft, beautiful. And now we can look at some financial ones. Banking. Oh yeah, yeah. So if all those are up, gold. Yeah. So Yeah, we should see us going up then. I'm gonna move it to break even. Flat break even. I don't care about a little bit of profit. If this 5 minute closes bullish, then I'll have it at like 150, 200 just so we could have like another winning day. Matter of fact, I'll do that right now. Okay, good. So even if all else fails, I hit a winning day. It makes me closer to eligible for payout. So we have secured that at least. Good shit. Is it me or like the last few weeks, market's just been like ripping straight up or down off open? You know, honestly, ES was pushing even more. So this is what I'm wary of. If we just hit like, yeah, the 50% of this range and just reverse. I don't think so, because like look, like we took this out, but we closed above it pretty clearly on the 5 minute. Like, oh, this is the next drawn liquidity for sure. And these are London highs. Actually, technically London highs. Like, look, this was the 4 hour candle, by the way, and the 1 hour. And then it literally turned to this. Like, look at that shit, bro. What the fuck is this? Dragging it a little bit more. Yeah, so technically this is London high. This is London high, this is Asian high. Well, at least get to this, I'm pretty sure, and then we'll see. Maybe to here from like this the 10 a.m. candle, so like 10, 11-ish. And then maybe probably reverse back down. Oh, shoot. See, I'm not liking this. If it doesn't hit, I'm not mad. I just need this to flip bullish. There's 15 seconds. I need it to flip bullish. If in the next 10 seconds we can close bullish, then it'll probably for sure hit these highs. Oh, that's a very indecisive, almost perfectly in the middle with very long wicks. Well, this is the last 5 minutes of this opening 15 minute. So, damn, we might hit a break even. I might go for a second trade if this doesn't hit. It'd be a very tight stop. Otherwise, damn.
Order filled.
Damn. So what's the setup? Bearish? I mean, yeah, like, it looks bearish, right? Boom, lower low. It's this war, dude. Everything's so indecisive. We'll see if this 15-minute. That's hard. All right, now you're probably wondering what am I looking at? What am I looking for? So you guys can in the future what to look for. I do just kind of base off of this. Yeah, I still think we're gonna hit this. I probably shouldn't have dragged my stop. That was stupid. I said with these funded accounts, I'm gonna stop dragging my stop loss to break even because it just literally does that. Gets stopped up by the tick and then goes in my direction. I think we'll hit this by the close of this hour, if not somewhere in that 10 a.m. hour. And then if we don't take out London highs and Asia highs, do that. And then if we do take them out early on, maybe reverse back down a little bit because we're leaving a lot of these lows here as well. Right, these and then this. But I mean, yeah, we'll probably hit this for sure. Oh well, that's stupid. I'm not upset. Still got a high balance, and that's just another winning day ticked off the board. Gets me one day closer to a payout. So yeah, we'll see. ES is definitely lagging a bit, but we did close above this 5-minute. Yeah, above this and these ones. So yeah, definitely gonna take these out, if not London and Asia highs, and then we'll see if we reverse from there at like 10, 11 a.m. So yeah, I guess, okay. Break even day, guys. It happens. See you tomorrow. Alright, so this is the story of my trading career. I took the second fucking trade. Right, we came here halfway and then started pushing up. Once this one started coming bullish, right, this with a very tight stop. Because I was just like, bro, we have so much momentum. I mean, yeah. And then this was just confusing. I figured, like, dude, I'm not going to sell when we look like this. I'm not going to sell when we look like this on the 4-hour. Okay, with all these fair value gaps and these highs. And the 1 hour. And then we took out, what the hell? And then we took out these lows, right? Session lows, and then we have all the straws on liquidity, session highs, hourly highs, etc. So it'd just be stupid of me. So it's fine. So yeah, we hit this. That'll be 3K times several accounts, and yeah, because the other one we didn't lose. We made a couple hundred, like, because I had to stop at 200, so that's fine. That is good. So I mean, realistically, as soon as you start ripping like this on the, but even then, it's like it's really the first 1 minute. Honestly, after we closed these highs, you could have entered here and have to stop like this. So ideally, it probably should look something like this. Maybe a little bit like a 2-to-1. It's not the best setup, but it is something. Dude, it's just so slow. Price has been like that. The first 30 minutes has been so slow. Not only slow, like indecisive. It's one thing to be slow, but at least have a setup, right? Like have an IFVG or fair value gap, clear sweep of liquidity, right? Have that. This has just been freaking horrible. I just still can't believe what, like, this
Order
4-hour.
filled.
Huh? What the fuck? How did I buy 2 more? You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. That's actually crazy. I accidentally bought 2 minis, but screw it, bro. This is gonna be great. This plus that. That's 4,500 times several accounts. I will take that shit any day. I honestly, I stopped clicking record, and then when I took the second trade and it started working out, I clicked record again. Oh my god. Oh my god. I accidentally bought contracts, and look at this. No, fuck it.
Order
We're
filled.
gonna make this. We're gonna hit that shit, bro. This is horrible, but accidentally bought. Is it my mouse? Because my mouse is, it's a Logitech, and I have like multiple buttons I can program. Right, so I wonder if I accidentally click something it buys. If so, that's like dangerous. I gotta change that. But what the hell? Alright, it's a 5-to-1 right here. 5-to-1 RR. Yo, 5-to-1 RR is crazy. This is the final 5-minute candle. We're going for those highs. Like I'm not worried about it. ES, bro. If you took a trade on ES, yo, I'm sorry for you. I am sorry for you. That is horrible, PA. That is horrible. This some chubby ass. Chubby ass PA. Damn, look at. Bro, it's like crazy how many dudes be ending up as screenshots, bro. On the IG or something. God damn, it's windy as hell again, bro. Oh, hell no. My hair's gonna be cooked today, bro. Fuck. I hate the wind, bro. I'll take the rain, the heat, the sun, the snow, everything.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Dude, if y'all aren't subscribed to me, bro, your favorite influencer will be like, oh, I saw an IFVG on the 1 minute fair value gap. I saw this candle was blue. This random 537 candle was blue. Why didn't the trade not work out? And it's like, goddamn, I don't know. We're in a freaking uptrend like this, right? There's freaking news, this and that. Like, oh, we just freaking bombed the country. Let me go short, or let me go long, or oh, this law just came out. Like, bro. Oh, but on the 1 second candle, the 1 second on 1:36 a.m. on the 1 second candle, it showed a little gap and the candles weren't touching. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. Like, respectfully, shut up. Like, these guys know, they just know, like, a little bit of price action. Like, I hate, as a trader, I hate to call some of this gambling or luck. But a lot of the time, when you look for that, when you're shorting and the charts look like this, and you're shorting off of a 30-second, and I get it. They're scalpers, we're scalpers. We're supposed to, be in a trade a couple minutes, that little movement. But, like, come on, bro. I'm literally telling y'all. I'm telling y'all the big movements, bro. Y'all could scalp this shit, day trade, even swing trade, what I'm telling y'all. Even long-term invest, what I'm telling y'all. And I'm backing it with so many confluences, and they're on higher time frame, not this little, 1 second, blah, blah, blah. No, like, legit stuff. I'm backing it with economics, right? Geopolitical stuff, news, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, okay, financial statements and cash flows and earnings. I'm putting logic behind it, psychology, both retail and hedge fund, big bank psychology. Like, if y'all aren't subscribed and not even in the Discord, then I'm not going to say you guys won't make money, but you're missing out on a lot of it. So, I mean, you see my track record, and that's just a fraction of what I've done and what I could do. Because I've only been uploading for, 2026, really. Not 2024, not 2025. So yeah, like I said, we'll hit this by the end of the hour. And look, okay, if not the start of that 10 a.m. candle, hit this. And then maybe get a little bit of a pullback. But honestly, the way I see things, probably just going to Probably just gonna fill this 4 hour and attack all these highs. So, yeah. Good stuff.